Now, we all know that the cryptocurrency market has been extremely volatile over the last couple of days. Bitcoin hitting all-time highs, Ethereum near all-time highs, Solana rising, major altcoins rising. But of course, with that, people are taking profits, and it is causing a very volatile market. You can see gains over the last 7 days, losses over the last 24 hours, a volatile hourly chart here, but nonetheless, prices are still very elevated, with Bitcoin at 122,000, Ethereum at 4,450, BNB, guys, $1,300 per coin. So the news surrounding cryptocurrencies is very positive, but the price action is very volatile. We're going to be focused on some news surrounding World Liberty Financial in this video. So if it sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. What's up, everybody? I'm Claybro, and a look at HUT8. Now, I'm not going to talk too much about HUT8, and the vast majority of this article is about HUT. HUT is a cryptocurrency mining company that is listed on the Nasdaq, and its valuation is in play after a $25 million World Liberty Financial token reserve acquisition. So let's look and see what's happening here, because they are not the only company interested in buying cryptocurrency, and they're not the only company interested in buying World Liberty Financial. It says that HUT8 has made headlines by acquiring 100 million World Liberty Financial tokens from World Liberty Financial for $25 million. Now, they did pay a 25% premium and chose to keep these tokens as a long-term reserve asset. Now, it says it's been getting quite the attention recently, with the stock performing very well, and it's up 268% on the year, highlighting resilience in both sentiment and performance. But if we take a look at World Liberty Financial right now, prices are down. So what gives, right? We're sitting at major levels of support. After launching at around 30 cents, the token volatility that day saw a lot of profit taking because the pre-sale took place between 5 cents and 1.5 cents. So everybody was making massive amounts of money, and a lot of people took their profit. We set up support around this 16, 17, 18 cent area, and this is our third test of this support level. Now, World Liberty Financial is an altcoin, okay? It is a blue chip altcoin because it's got a multi-billion-dollar valuation, but it's got a lot of attention on it because the Trump family is backing it. And with that, it's got a lot of people who love it. It's got a lot of people who hate it. Now, right now, altcoins are doing just okay. Altcoin season was much higher a couple days ago, but with the recent cool-off, it has leveled off to a level of 53. Now, with the recent cool-off in the price of Bitcoin, Ethereum, and so on, the RSI for the crypto world, or the Relative Strength Index, has come back down from near overbought situations to near oversold situations. So this pullback is actually a very large pullback. But what's going to be driving the price of World Liberty Financial and the rest of the altcoins out there is sentiment. At a level of 55 neutrality, people are unwilling to buy what they believe is risky. So Bitcoin can thrive in a situation like this. Maybe Ethereum, maybe Solana and XRP could do well in a situation where investors are neutral because these are major $100 billion+ projects, or in Bitcoin's case, $1 trillion projects. So when you're breaking it down into smaller altcoins that are worth a few $billion, you need greed. You need excitement. You need people willing to buy those smaller assets, and we are not there yet. Sitting at a level of 55 neutrality, we tipped up into a greedy situation, but that's not enough for major gains. We need an extremely greedy situation, and then I believe that we will see a lot of inflows into alts and even memes. So with that, I continue to load up on World Liberty Financial. I actually own it on the KSX exchange. So if you guys are interested in holding it on exchange, you can use that link down there. If you're interested in holding it off exchange, meaning on the blockchain, your keys, your crypto, your asset, you can check out Best Wallet, right? Best Wallet is a free download on the Google Play Store and the Apple App Store. And you guys got a link for that down there in the description as well. Extremely easy to use, user intuitive. I actually really like this wallet, so make sure to check it out if you guys want to hold there. But don't forget to diversify. One of the tokens that I've been diversifying into lately is Bitcoin Hyper. Guys, Bitcoin is the leader. It is the king of crypto. And with that, I believe any token that builds utility for Bitcoin is going to do well. Now, this is a layer 2 blockchain being built for Bitcoin, and they've already raised $22.6 million. And if you're interested in checking it out, you got a link down there. You can research more. If you're interested in grabbing some, you can go out there, scan that QR code, type in how much you want, and of course, wait until launch day for those tokens to be claimable. Now, with that, if you want to know how they're going to run their layer 2, you're simply going to bridge over, use the layer 2, utilizing zero-knowledge proofs. They send that info back to Bitcoin's blockchain to be validated, and then when you're ready to withdraw, you simply initiate the request, and it sends your tokens back to your Bitcoin layer 1 wallet. Now, they have 15,000 plus followers out on their X account, and they are getting a lot of attention, with this pin post alone having 151,000 views. Guys, I believe that we are on the brink. Okay, not just the brink of a rebound in some altcoins here, but the brink of a major FOMO rally. October into November, December has historically been the bull market peak on that 4-year cycle, and that is exactly where we are right now. So I continue to accumulate. I want to know what you guys are continuing to accumulate down in the comments below, and until the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.